Welcome back to our channel. Question 2A4 is about look at the table. Look at the question first. Okay. Explain one reason why an increase in real GNI. Yeah, increasing, right? Yes, increasing. I saw it. Increasing. Exactly. Okay. Why this increase per capita might have a positive impact on living standard, of course, and also have a negative impact on living standard. Oh, why? Yeah, think about it. Okay. Positive one is easy, right? You look at it and you can say GNI increase, people have more income. Of course, more income. Okay, the living standard change. Okay, living standard can improve, poverty can be removed. So, and it is supported by the data. Remember the code data, cohort data. Life expectancy increases, expected year of schooling increases because of more money, and also percentage of people, poverty people jobs, they are good sign. Okay. And then how about the one reason why it might have a negative impact? So negative impact, you can choose the rest of the two things. You can talk about carbon dioxide emission. Yes, yes, yes. Because the economy growth, right? So more economic activity, more activity. Of course, they have to use the resources. They may burn more fossil fuels, so they may cause more pollution. And it is shown clearly by the increase of the carbon dioxide. How about the Gini coefficient? How do you relate the increased GNI to Gini relation? Be careful, be careful. Look at here the hints here. GNI, they don't talk about GDP. What's the extra component of GNI? Yeah, getting money, income from foreign country because you own the factor of production, right? So you can say, I remember GNI has an extra component, extra one, okay, about income by the factor of production in foreign country, okay? But why this thing increases has the best side on the Gini index, income inequality, because remember, most of the factor of production, this factor of production is owned by the entrepreneur, rich people, right? Why? So the problem is they are most owned by rich people. Oh, yeah, yeah. So when we are focused on GNI, not GDP, when the GNI growth maybe only the rich people can enjoy it more, benefit by it more, so it will increase the income inequality. Yeah, yeah, this is the next concept. And then it will describe by the general trend, although it go up and then go a little bit not so big, right? It has a peak here, but the general trend for the Gini coefficient is still upward rising, right? So you have both of the positive and the negative part. Both you have two choices, okay? So it should be a easy marks, right? And you got it. So well done. Okay, see you for other question. Okay, bye.